Good morning, boys and girls. As soon as y'all walk in the room, put y'all's bags up. I want y'all over here on this side of the carpet because we are going to, count numbers and learn how to add and subtract. Also, small numbers. So, gonna get in the rhythm of things. But yes, and Donald and Mickey and Pluto are gonna join us this morning. Alrighty, if I could have y'all crisscrossed applesauce and paying attention and ready to learn. And don't touch that other stuff because we're going to do something else with it. Also, so let's start counting. If I could have y'all count with me, not repeat after me, I would like it. So, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! Yay! I would get them to use. Now I'd be like, okay, how many desks do you see? 1. How many computers? 1. How many faucets? 1. How many backpacks? How many boxes of Kleenexes can you find in this room? How many chairs can you find? How many pair of shoes can you count? And things like that to get them start familiarized before I ship them off into groups and over here. So I'll be like, now that y'all can kind of count a little bit, now let's go over here so we can do some adding and subtracting with small numbers. Now if I could have y'all not fighting, let's sit crisscross applesauce and behave. Now I would ask them, okay, boys and girls, I know this is the first thing y'all spotted. What is this? Yes, it's a ball. How many do I have of them? 1. Alright, how many books do I have? 2. How many markers do I have? 3. How many stuffed animals do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And how many rocks do I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, good job. Now, let's add something, which would be, okay, let's add. Okay, I have 1 ball, 2 stuffed animals. How many does that make? What's the total? Anybody? It's 3. Yes. Now let's count it to make sure. 1, 2, 3. Yay, good job. Now let's do something. Let's do a subtraction problem. Let's do another addition real quick. Something easy. Alright, I have 2 stuffed animals, 2 pebbles, and 2 markers. How many is that? Count them all together. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! Good job. And out of the 6, since we have 6, I take 2 away. How many do I have left over? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And out of the 4, I take 1 away. How many do I have? 3. Yes. And out of 3, I take 2 away. How many do I have left? 1. So 3 minus 1. 2 minus 1. No. 2 minus 3 equals 1. Sorry, I had to get my numbers all. Alrighty. So now that you know, y'all get it? Good job. Y'all are pretty bright kids. Now I want y'all all in groups of 4 or 3. Go to y'all's tables in groups. Wherever a station is that has either pebbles, markers, cars, or marbles, or whatever there is. So y'all can do these problems and follow along with me. Alrighty. Let's do something easy because y'all's problems are pretty easy. So let's do like 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, and things like that. Now let's do this. Okay. Let's go. Alright, can anybody tell me what 1 plus 2 is? Yeah, use y'all's objects that y'all have there to do it. Alright, 1 plus 2 is 3. Good job. Yes. Or you can count, if the numbers are on the sheet, you can count go 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, let's do a subtraction problem. I have 4 and I take 3 away. How many do I have? Use y'all's objects. Yeah. You have 1, of course. Or you can use your fingers as well. Because 4 minus 3 is 1. Yes. So, now I want y'all to finish this up by yourselves. And if y'all have any questions, I'll go walk around and help each table. Which, you know, if y'all have any questions, which I don't think y'all will, because y'all have each other to help each other out. But if y'all do, but I'll still go walk around the classroom. So what I would have them do after their group is, after they get done, have that sheet turned into me. I'd check the grade, you know, as a group, and because I would want to know what the group knows and what themselves individually know. So what I would give them now, I would ship them off to their, not ship them off, but I would send them back to their own seat. I would give them a sheet similar to these problems and similar to what they worked on in groups, but now they'd have to do it all by themselves. So I would, you know, and after that, after they turn that sheet into me, to the basket, I'd be like, okay guys, what did y'all learn today? How to add, count, and subtract. Now y'all can go home and tell Mama I have 5 apples and I eat 2. How many do I have left? 3. Or I have 5 oranges and I add 5 more. I have 10. And things like that, you know, to get them practicing. And so that's pretty much what I would tell them. And that's what I would summarize it in closure. So, yeah.